Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can send money from Revolut to Kraken. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Make sure your Revolut account is fully verified. This usually involves providing identification documents to comply with the regulatory requirements. Link a bank account or debit card to your Revolut account. If you haven't already, this will be the source of funds for your transactions. Open your Revolut app and go to Payments or Transfers section. Add Kraken as a beneficiary by entering the necessary details. You may need Kraken's bank account details, such as the account number and the bank's name. If you are transferring fiat currency, traditional currency like USD or Euro and etc. from Revolut to Kraken, ensure that you exchange your currency for the desired cryptocurrency within your Revolut account. Revolut supports various cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select Kraken as the recipient, and review the details and confirm the transfer. Log into your Kraken account and check for the incoming transaction. The processing time may vary, so be patient. So that's basically how you can send money from Revolut to Kraken. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.